Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. Today we are going to see how to make paper bead earring. Let us see the video. Material list. If you want to make your beads waterproof and looks shiny, finally apply a coat of transparent nail polish or shiners available in the market. It enhances the beauty and gives shiny look and increase the life of the paper bead jewelry. This is the layout of the paper I used here to making paper beads. Using this paper cutting, I cut and take 4 numbers of green paper and 4 numbers of white paper. First I take 2 papers of green and apply the glue on 2 papers. Then I stick the 2 papers together. Then I take the toothpick, place on the gum and start to roll. Make sure the papers are together. One side should be straight and another side should be like this. Then only you get a cone shaped bead. Continue to roll till the end. When coming at the end, apply glue on the both papers, stick together. Then continue your rolling. We applied glues so the ends are stick together. Make sure your ends are stick together, otherwise it will come out. Take out. Now your green bead ready. Same way, take the white paper and apply glue on both papers, stick together. Then take your toothpick, continue to roll. Make sure your papers are together. When rolling, one end should be straight and flat. Another end should be coming like cone. You just press like this and make sure. At the end, you apply the glue. And stick the papers together and continue your roll till the end. Make sure your papers are stick together. Take out the bead. Now your white bead is ready. Now I start to coloring that white bead. I am using metallic color gold. If you don't want to paint means use any another color paper. Just I used to paint the gold color because it enhances the beauty of that earring. Generally, we like gold colors for jewelry, so I use this gold color. Apply your paint in all areas. Without any trace of white paper, you cover all areas with that gold paint and make to dry. I apply super glue on the top of green bead. Then above that I am going to fix that gold bead. Just press and insert the green bead. Now I am inserting that 2-inch eye pin. Another end of the eye pin I am going to make as a loop to insert the earring hook using round nose plier. Just fold like this as a round with little gap. Don't cover fully. You give little gap to insert that earring hook. Now I am inserting that earring hook. Now you close that loop fully. And press with flat nose plier to close that hook fully. Lock that loop fully closed. Now for safety, I apply the super glue on the eye pin and the golden bead. Now your one earring is ready. Follow the same steps to make one more earring. Now I start to apply my shiner to the bead. It should be coated every sides and corners of the beads. This process helps to enhance the beauty of the bead and gives shiny appearance. Now your super paper bead earring is ready. I hope all are like this video. If you like this video, you like and share with your family and friends. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the notification of future videos. Enjoy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.